Hi, I'm Bob from BlackMagic here today at InfoComm 2024, talking about some of the new stuff we've been showing. This is our new replay system that we have. Now what we're doing here is we have a live production going on, but we also have the ability to, in Resolve, Davinci Resolve, which is our editing, grading, visual effects, audio software, we can actually do replay in it now. So the way we do that is I have these the live cameras coming into my system, and I can just get an endpoint and I can get going with being able to show a replay that's going on with the action that we're seeing here. These files are growing, and it doesn't matter if we're playing them back or not, it continues to record. And what we've done is we've turned our editing software into a replay device that attaches to our switchers. And this is a unique way to get things going, to get people to do replay at a lot lower cost. Most of the products they already have. So they don't really have to buy a lot of new things. We do have a new replay panel that's coming out shortly for $500, but most of the other products people already have. So it's a way to leverage the gear that you already have and get some really cool, new, exciting stuff going on with replay gear.